There was a time when scientists believed your brain was fixed after childhood. This turned out to be one of the biggest mistakes in neuroscience. Your brain can change at any age. Neurons that fire together wire together. When two neurons activate at the same time repeatedly, the connection strengthens. Every time you practice, the neural pathway gets faster. Think of your brain as a forest. The first time you have a new thought, it is like pushing through undergrowth. Each repetition clears the path until it becomes a highway. London taxi drivers prove this. To get their license, they memorize every street. Brain scans show their hippocampus is physically larger. The longer they drive, the larger it grows. Stroke patients who lose speech can regain it because neighboring brain regions rewire to handle language. The brain is not a machine with fixed parts. It is a living organ that adapts. You are never too old to learn. The belief that you cannot change is itself the biggest barrier to change. Every time you practice something, you are physically altering your brain. The question is not whether your brain can change. It is what you are asking it to change into. Every repetition is a vote for the person you want to become.